Girls, today we are going to discuss about some important topic. Okay, growing is a natural process. We are all know that human development is acquired by stages. Okay, first we can phase that is the human can phase childhood, that is infancy, before childhood, infancy, then childhood, then a human phase adolescence, then adulthood, then they can face a middle age. Okay, then the human can face the that is a last stage, it is a old stage. So today we are going to discuss the lesson reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, now we can see the topic, that is adolescence and puberty. What is adolescence? The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere, meaning to grow or grow to maturity. adolescentங்கிற வேர்டை லாட்டினில் டிரைவ் பண்ணும்போது அடலோசீரேன்னு மீன் பண்ணுறது. அதோட மீனிங் என்னென்னா டு க்ரோ ஆர் க்ரோ டு மெச்சூரிட்டி. தென் in this period we can acquire a height, weight, sex organs, muscle mass, as well as in brain structure and functions. During this stage we can acquire, what are they? That is a height, weight, sex organs, muscle mass can change during this period. Then third one is a biological. It is a physical transition marked by the onset of puberty and it terminate of physical growth in an individual. Then we can see the topic puberty. What is puberty? Puberty is a certain period of few years in which we can acquire a rapid, that is the fast growth. We can see the physical, physiological and psychological changes occur in our body that results in a sexual maturity. Second point is the average age for the onset of puberty is for girlsக்கு வந்து puberty age வந்து 10 or 12, for boysக்கு வந்து 12 or 13. It is the average age for puberty. Then third point is, but factors like genetic and biological influence, life events and socio-economic status, nutrition and diet and the amount of body fat, it also affect the puberty. Okay, then we can see the hormone play an important role at a time of puberty for all human beings. Okay, changes in the hormones during this period trigger a physical and behavioral changes. A hormone take a role to change the physical and behavioral changes for human beings during the time of puberty. Then we can see the sex hormones. What are the sex hormones? For male and female. For male and female, the sex glands வந்து produce பண்ணும் some secretion in a body. At a time of puberty, it can be activate. So the male sex glands வந்து என்னென்னா testes, that releases the testosterone. It is a secretion occur in a male body. And the female sex gland, the ovaries, releases the estrogen. It can occur in a female. Okay, it can occur during the time of puberty. Then last one is these result in changes in a primary and secondary sexual characteristics of male and female. Primary means we can't see the height, weight of human beings, and secondary character means some body changes, that is physically changes can occur in a human. Then we can see what are the hormones, how it can be produced and its functions. Okay, well, first one is we can see the testosterone by male and produced by the testes and its function is to stimulate the male secondary sexual characteristics, that is like voice changes and muscles, hair, and oil glands secreted in a male. Okay, then second one is the estrogen by female produced பண்றது வந்து ovaries, and its functions வந்து stimulate the female secondary sexual characteristics, that is sexual secondary sexual characteristics means hair and hip area changes, breast development, and voice for female, it voice can be shrill. Okay wow. Then progesterone, it can produced by the female, ovaries and placenta can produce this hormone, prevent it, main function is to prevent the wall of a uterus breaking down. Okay wow. Testes can produce the hormone testosterone, ovaries can produce the hormone estrogen, and ovaries and placenta produce the hormone progesterone. Progesterone for ovulation, so that prevent the wall of a uterus breaking down. During the period of ovulation, the hormone progesterone can be produced by the ovaries and placenta. Okay, next slide we can see the what are the body changes occur during time of puberty. First one is the changes in body size. We can face the changes in body size, and second one is changes in a body proportion, and third one is the development of primary sex characteristics, and last one is the development of secondary sex characteristics. Now we can see one by one. First one is the changes in a body size. The first major change at the time of puberty is growth. We can face the height and weight can changes during the time of puberty. At the age of girls 10 to 12, for boys 12 to 13, we can changes the height and body weight can automatically change during the time of puberty. Second point is during adolescence, both boys and girls at around 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter in height. Okay, then third one is in addition to height, they also experience significant increases in height. Okay, simultaneously when height is increased, then weight is also increases, but increases in weight is influenced by various factors like diet, exercise, and lifestyle. These are the factors that influence the weight of a human. During this period, increases in fat is seen in girls. In girls, we can see the fat increases in contrast to muscle development in boys. Okay, these are the changes in a body size. Majorly we can see the increases in a body height and weight. At the age of girls 10 to 12, it can be occurred. For boys 12 to 13, these changes can be acquired. Then second one is changes in a body proportion. Certain body areas which are small proportionately grow big. Okay, this can be seen in feet and hands. In feet and hands, we can see the changes in body proportion. During childhood, our legs grow proportionally more than the trunk. But at the time of puberty, we can't see trunk also lengthen. Okay, also trunk broadens at the hip. Hip ஏரியாவில் ட்ரங்க் வந்து ப்ராடாக இருக்கும், அண்ட் ஷோல்டரில் வந்து கிவ் அ adult proportion to the body. These are the changes in a body proportion. Okay, wow. This can be seen in feet and hands. We can see the body proportion in feet and hands. Then third one is the primary sex characteristics. Reproductive organ of boys and girls become fully functionally at the time of puberty. In boys, testes grow larger, followed by that length and size of a reproductive organ increases. In boys, we can See the changes in a reproductive organ, it can be increases. Length and size can be also increases. Similarly, female reproductive organ also grows during puberty. Thus, the size of a uterus and weight of the ovaries increases during this time. These are the primary sex characteristics. Here we can see the secondary. What are the secondary sex characteristics? First point is, these are the physical features which distinguish male from female. Secondary sex characteristics தான் distinguish பண்ணும் from male to female. Then after the progression of puberty, boys and girls become dissimilar. After puberty, boys and girls are dissimilar. We can see the difference between boys and girls from the appearance, okay. Then third point is, the secondary sex characters are regulated by the hormones, the testosterone or androgen secreted by the testes of a males and estrogen secreted by the ovaries of a females. We already see the hormone testosterone can be produced by testes and estrogen can be produced by the ovaries of the females. These are the symbol of female and this is a symbol of male. It is a estrogen is the female hormone, testosterone is the male hormone. Here we can see the breast grow, pubic hair grows, wide hips develop. Okay. In male, we can see the body hair grows, voice breaks, muscles growth increases. These are the secondary sex characteristics of both male and female. In this slide, we can see the secondary sex characteristics of boys. What are the changes occurs? First one is hair. Immediately after the development of primary sex characteristics, pubic hair appears followed by the axillary and facial hair. Okay. Then second one is the skin. The skin become pores and the pores in the skin enlarges. Skin வந்து எப்படி ஆயிடும், ரொம்ப pores ஆயிடும். And pores means holes in a face, that is the pimples can occur in a skin. Then glands, oil producing glands in the skin enlarge ஆகும். And due to this, acne may appear on a face வந்து acne, that is a pimple can appear on a face. Then muscles, the strength of a muscles increases. A boys எப்போதுமே muscle வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தாக இருக்கும் when compared to the girls, and it gives shape to arms and legs and shoulders. Fifth one is voice. During this period, voice changes occur and the boy's voice become husky. Then its pitch drops and the volume also increases for boys. Then we can see this. What are the secondary characteristics of girls? First one is the hips. Due to the enlargement of pelvic bone, pelvic bone வந்து enlarge ஆகும்போது development of subcutaneous fat வந்து develop ஆகும். So the hip become wider இருக்கும் and rounder இருக்கும் for girls. And second one is the breast. After the enlargement of hip area வந்து wide ஆகும் rounder ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் the breast begin to develop. Breast வந்து develop ஆகும் during this time. Muscles, increases in the muscles take place and give the shape to the body, that is the shoulders, arms and legs வந்து ஒரு structure வரும். ஓகேவா for girls. And voice become shrill, கூச் குரலாக இருக்கும் when compared to the boys. They have a husky voice and for girls it is a shrill. And voice breaks or voice break வந்து some girlsக்கு வந்து பார்க்கலாம். It can be rare. Okay, the skin become coarser and the pores enlarges as in a case of boys. Like boys, the skin become coarser and the pores also enlarges. For hair வந்து pubic hair appears ஆகும், followed by the axillary and body hair on a limbs. Underarmsல பார்க்கலாம் hairs, pubic areaல பார்க்கலாம். So hairs can appear during this time. Glands வந்து oil producing glands become active ஆயிரும். So during this period oil producing gland become active, so we can see the acne, that is a pimples on a face. Then we can see what are the difference between the male and female secondary sex characteristics at puberty. Voice become much lower, that is a breaking can be occurred for male, and in female breast grow, nipple areas வந்து enlarge ஆகும். ஓகேவா? After the enlargement of hip, the breast can grow and nipples enlarge. So second one is hair start to grow on chest. செஸ்ட்டில் ஃபேஸில் அண்டர் ஆர்ம்ஸில் அண்ட் இன் பியூபிக் ஏரியாவில் வந்து ஃபார் மேலுக்கு வந்து ஹேர் வந்து க்ரோத் இருக்கும், அண்ட் ஃபார் ஃபீமேல் அண்டர் ஆர்ம்ஸ் அண்ட் பியூபிக் ஏரியா, நாட் இன் ஃபேஸ். ஓகேவா? தீஸ் கேன் டெவலப் டூரிங் த டைம் ஆஃப் பியூபர்ட்டி. தென் பாடி பிகம்ஸ் மோர் மஸ்குலராக இருக்கும் அண்ட் ஹிப் பிகம் வைடராக இருக்கும் ஃபார் கேர்ள்ஸ். பென்னிஸ் பிகம் லார்ஜர். For it is a reproductive organ வந்து increases in male, and here also reproductive organ increases, that is the uterus and vagina become larger. Testes வந்து start to produce sperm. Testes secreted testosterone, that is they start to produce the sperm. Here the ovaries start to release the eggs and a period begin, that is a menstruation can occur for girls. Ovaries secrete estrogen. Okay va? Ovaries secrete the hormone estrogen. Estrogen is secreted by the ovaries, and here testosterone secreted by testes. They have a capacity to produce the sperm. Here in female they have a capacity to release eggs.